Get your party in full swing with the new Crock-Pot Swing and Serve Slow Cooker. This uniquely designed 3-in-1 slow cooker is the answer to cluttered counters, tables, and stovetops. Individual high, low, and warm temperature controls allow you to cook and serve a variety of foods at once. The pivoting arms allow you to swing the upper crocks apart for a fun, inviting way to serve foods. With one 3.5 quart-size crock and two smaller 1.5 quart-size crocks, the options are endless for any combination of entrees, appetizers, and sides, while saving space on your countertop below. Hinge lids on top flip up to make serving easier. The integrated utensil holder keeps serving utensils organized. And when the party's over, the removable crocks and lids can be placed in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Later, the crocks can swing closed for compact storage. The Crock-Pot Swing and Serve Slow Cooker combines entertaining, cooking, and serving flexibility with space-saving convenience.